guys, hope you're well. So today I'm just going to show you here, and to start off I'm just going to spread some wires here. So this wire here is a single wire. It's attached to just to the back of the pot. Not sure if you can see it. I'm going to put a wiring diagram as well, just on the back of this middle pot. That comes out here, and then once this is screwed in, it'll just make contact on the back of the metal piece here. The other lead, there's another black lead just for the tuning pegs. That just pulls through here and comes to the left and right, as you can see there. So the other cable I'm going to thread through is this pickup. Again, you just see my head, that comes through the same hole here, which that one goes through. Just threads through like that. Black cable as well, just thread through like that. And then the last pickup is this one. Again, goes through this hole here and thread through. The kit's pre-drilled, so it should just push straight through, which it has. So, which is here. Right, so to start with the wiring, I'm just going to show you. Let me just focus it in. So here is this switch. And how I'm going to do it is, I won't actually solder it here, but I will show you what goes to what colour. So with the basic kit, you have these pickups here, and you have a red wire. One of them is just a plain wire, which is that one, and one is that one. So in theory, this is the pickup for here. So this is the pickup, bottom pickup, which sits in there just like that. Let me just focus that in. So it just sits in like that. So in what happens here is when you thread it through, just get the focus. So when you thread it through, the negative wire, or the earth, is the one without the plastic on. That will sit on the back of this pot here. On this pot here. That needs soldering there. This one here though needs to be pushed through this cable, through the middle pin here, and through this pin, and soldered on to both pins. So basically when you switch the switch that way, it will go on to that way, and that way it's using both setups, and then that way. So that is for the middle pickup. The neck pickup, which again, because I've changed my parts, it's slightly different, but here is the neck pickup. Again, yellow wire, one which is the earth, which is in a plastic coating. There you go. The one is earth is this side, this one's a positive. Again, these two wires, both earths, you can wrap together. Let me just do that for you. You can wrap both earths together, just like that. These earths need to be soldered onto this middle pot, and then this second one, exactly the same principle. I will put in a diagram into this video because it's very hard to see, but again, it has to go through this one, so 1, 2, 3, the fourth hole and the fifth hole. And what happens there is, when it's on full, it will only work with this pickup on the neck. When it's on the middle, it will work on both, and when it's on that side, it will work on the bridge pickup only. So that is how you do that. What I will do is, once I've soldered mine together, I will show a video of that. In terms of this one here, Let me just get some focus. In terms of the jack port itself, so the ground, if we just follow this jack port, so the white lead is the positive, and the ground again has no plastic coating on. Let me just grab the jack lead for you. So here is the jack plug. So on the back here, this, let me just get it in focus. So this pin here is the ground, and this pin here is the positive. So the cable, which isn't in a plastic coating, goes onto the ground like so, and then this cable here, which is a positive with the yellow plastic coating, will sit on this cable here like so. So as you can see, the yellow cable goes to that side and the negative that side. Again, once this is soldered in, I'll show you, and I will share a diagram on how to wire this in. Unfortunately, because it's such a fiddly job, I'm going to have to do a separate video or separate diagram. It's very fiddly, but it's quite easy to wire in. You just have to know the cables. With my pickups, obviously if you buy brand new different pickups, they show you the diagram here. I will do a diagram for the standard pickups which come in, but this is how I'm going to do it, and I will put this in the video. Please feel free to send me a message if you do get stuck. I'm sure that you're going to be fine. As I said, it's very easy to wire in. It's just a very fiddly process to do. Please get in touch at www.tkmuzzandrepairs.co.uk, or like and follow us on Facebook and drop us a line there. Thank you, and I will do a second video to show once it's all wired in, to show you how it's been done, following a diagram as well. Thank you. Hi guys, so here is the finished product. I'm just trying to get it in, there you go, focus. So as I said before, the negative comes to this pin here and the positive goes to this pin here. That's now soldered in and fixed in. Again, with the pickups, in my case the white lead is the positive, and again yours will be the white lead as well, is the positive in your set. There you go. So my set is slightly different, but the white lead in your set is definitely positive, and the negative is just a cable without any extra additional. So in my set here, the black cable is my negative cable, which you run to the back of this dial here, and all you do is put a blob of solder on. There you go, and then just put on there. With the positive, the main neck pickup there runs through the guitar body. Just get this in focus. So it runs through the guitar body and goes, there you go. So this cable here is the neck one. Goes through the first and through the second, and just put two blobs of solder on there. And again for the bridge itself, you do the same. So my next video will be screwing this all together, and I'll talk to you soon.